ChatGPT highlights the power of AI, so I put up a list of 10 more AI tools that you can start using right now for many kinds of assignments. First on this list is Midjourney. Midjourney creates AI art, not just regular art but very high definition art that is so realistic that you wouldn't be able to tell if a true artist created this or not. Here are some owl pictures created in various types of styles and variations, and these are simply amazing. I cannot believe that AI simply produced these. If you want a better idea of how these are created, you simply put a text into and out comes an image. As simply put, AI art can encompass anything, including website designs, which I actually kind of like, especially for inspiration. Below are some examples of various websites that the image journey system has put together. The one that I really like is this one here. It says it's an adorable big-eyed owl wearing a yellow raincoat and gumboots walking through a lush forest, and this is the result. I've really put up a complete video on how to make AI art on me, and we simply have other ones here for stuff like shoes and other things. You may view a different channel right here. Number 2 is Adobe's new AI tool called Podcast. It increases audio. If you already have an Adobe account, you should be able to sign in immediately. I did this previously and obtained access to their systems, so I should be able to hop into Quick Glance and pick Enhance Speech here. I'll upload an audio file and demonstrate before you. I'll run 2 tests using regular audio from my microphone and possibly some audio from my phone. The first test is without any enhancement, and the second is with some enhancement from the AI tool. This time, I've positioned the microphone off center and there is background music playing. Let's turn on the enhancement to hear the difference this makes. It essentially removes background noise and makes the microphone look much higher. Another fantastic tool is NVIDIA Broadcast, which enables me to converse with the camera without actually looking at it. And the NVIDIA AI is updating my eyes to look directly at you even though I'm technically looking at the script of this particular segment of the video. This could be very useful, especially if you have a lot of meetings and need to look at different spots around your screen, or you can't directly look at the camera, so you can instead look off to the side, but the camera automatically updates in the NVIDIA AI to make you look at the camera. It can also do other things like remove distractions. Try it out in the most recent videos. It's one of the few ones that is entirely free and only requires a few simple steps to start going. Several folks have shown an interest in learning to code to me. This video is sponsored by Coded, a learning platform that enables you to learn all the programming principles required to be job ready. They have a complete stack development roadmap and a course that goes along with it that teaches you everything in this, and you can enroll there right away. And even if, for instance, you have only learned a little about front end, you can still learn everything there is to know about it, including back end, by simply clicking on this roadmap and finding what you want to learn. This means that you can jump in there, select what you want to run or what you want to learn, play around with the environment, and even if you get stuck, they've integrated ChatGPT into it, so it's like a little assistant that helps you along the way. This is really cool. Their courses are interactive. They have a full IDE and environment that lets you learn to code with real-world examples, projects, quizzes and much more. They also have a pro membership that unlocks every bit of feature that you want. That's 50 off, but in terms of the full stack development roadmap, that is also discounted in the link below. Definitely check that out if you've ever been interested in learning to code. Script is the next one on this list. What makes it unique is that it processes different types of videos, then creates captions for them and allows you to edit those captions while editing the video at the same time. I'm going to jump into their application and I want to use it just to do a small creative project. I'm going to perform a screencast, I suppose here, and I want to choose a movie. Then I'm going to submit this video right here. So here's an example. I've set quite a few different words here, so I can easily go through and remove the words, and then it should automatically update. We said this sentence over here, but I want to remove some of the buts that I've said. Let's test this out. The AI from the script doesn't only caption, I can delete certain phrases, like if I say a lot of, I can remove them till I don't have any more buts in my sentences. Next is Idea AI. It integrates AI into note-taking in a manner similar to chat messaging. But more specifically, embedded into the notes that you typically do, you can use Notion AI to draft blog posts or, for instance, create bullet points for various ideas you might have, and much more. It's in beta, but I joined the waitlist a while ago and was able to join pretty quickly. Here, I have my Notion board with all of my video topics, so I'm going to open up this most recent one about 10 AI tools to use with ChatGPT. And I'm going to see if I can come up with an idea to write an introduction for this video here. I can use the AI assistant to write an introduction about why you should use 10 AI tools as part of your day-to-day activities. Then I can take it a step further and brainstorm ideas, selecting perhaps something like 10 good key points and examples of AI tools that can actually be used in the real world. This is just a brief example of some of the things it can do when you press the button just above. Next is synthesis, which actually compiles videos of people talking, essentially an AI narrator with the fact that their text GPT can now create the text for you. You could plug it straight into something like synthesis to basically have a YouTube channel. What I thought I liked was that they had a variety of avatar kinds and that they can be used with different languages. Even on a fundamental level, I can see how this may change the game for YouTubers who wish to re-upload their films in foreign languages. Our video production platform is also fair and fashion. The next tool I want to try out is called Resemble AI. It uses artificial intelligence to create voices, including your own. It can copy emotions, convert speech to speech, and localize. Here's an example of it in action. There are no jobs in New York City. I signed up for their trial to give it a try. Just how successful it was, you wouldn't have done it if it hadn't been for something. It doesn't happen right away, but it develops gradually, and these are the outcomes. They are similar. I am not sure whether it sounds like me, but one of the 10 AI tools you can start utilizing to assist you in your daily life was only trained on 25 samples. Perhaps with more, it can perform better. Sound Drawer utilizes AI to generate music as well as tunes, which is pretty cool, particularly for someone like me, who always includes it in introductions or videos. Let's listen to some of the examples that are available right here. Foreign, you may pick how long you want. You may choose the pace and key of the song. Moreover, you may choose the tone of the variety of created tunes available depending on what you choose. Begin utilizing and you may examine and use them. And if you still didn't think that was enough, there is online media called Future Media. That includes every other website. This goes beyond text, utilizing AI techniques based, but also stuff using video. I hope you folks like the audio and a lot more. If you liked this video, please click like.
Thanks for watching, and if you like my videos, please subscribe.